In a stunning demonstration of engineering and luxury, the Bentley Flying Spur car captivates with its unparalleled design and performance. Inside the Bentley Flying Spur, passengers are embraced by exquisite materials and advanced technology, making every journey a lavish experience. With its powerful engine and breathtaking speed, the Bentley Flying Spur offers an exhilarating driving experience that speaks to both performance enthusiasts and luxury aficionados. Every detail in the Bentley Flying Spur is meticulously crafted, from the stunning wheels to the cutting-edge technology that keeps drivers connected and entertained on the road. As night falls, the Bentley Flying Spur becomes a symbol of elegance and prestige, effortlessly navigating the vibrant streets of the city. The Bentley Flying Spur epitomizes luxury not just on land but in the realm of exclusive travel, seamlessly connecting with the world of private aviation. In every season, the Bentley Flying Spur stands out, merging nature's beauty with unparalleled luxury and performance. The Bentley Flying Spur not only captivates with its beauty but also with its formidable engineering, promising an unforgettable experience whether at dawn or dusk. Rain or shine, the Bentley Flying Spur demonstrates exceptional handling and stability, ensuring that every drive is safe and enjoyable regardless of the conditions. At grand events, the Bentley Flying Spur becomes the center of attention, embodying sophistication and luxury that leaves an unforgettable impression on all who behold it. Whether cruising along the coast or navigating city streets, the Bentley Flying Spur offers an exquisite blend of style and performance that transforms every journey into a celebration. Surrounded by natural beauty, the Bentley Flying Spur becomes a work of art, emphasizing luxury and tranquility while providing an oasis of comfort for its passengers. The Bentley Flying Spur proves that luxury can embrace adventure, seamlessly transitioning from urban streets to rugged terrains without compromising style. In the face of adversity, the Bentley Flying Spur remains a symbol of strength and elegance, allowing drivers to navigate through life's storms with confidence. In a cozy winter retreat, the Bentley Flying Spur blends seamlessly with its opulent surroundings, embodying warmth and grandeur even in the coldest environments. With unstoppable power and elegance, the Bentley Flying Spur conquers challenging terrains, embodying the spirit of adventure and luxury in every journey.